40 Series LandCruiser has been with us almost forever. This one's 30 years old. They had a production run of something like 25 years. So they've been around for a long time. And that means they were being sold brand new when Anthony Ronald Brown started making bull bars for them in his mum's garage at home in Mitcham. Now this particular car has generated a lot of interest on the internet and on TV. And as a result of that, people have been saying, where do we get one of these bull bars? Now ARB have been listening, and as a result, we are going to commission a limited production run of this original 40 Series style ARB bull bar. Now there's only one way that you can get your hands on one of these limited production original ARB 40 Series bars. You have to get yourself into your nearest ARB outlet. You've got to place an order in the month of August. Now after you place your order, your bar is not going to be made in Tony Brown's mum's garage. It's going to be made in the Kilsyth plant in Melbourne, but I tell you what, it's going to be a bit tricky for some of those guys that are so used to automatic machinery and robots. The whole thing will just about be put together by hand. Now obviously you're wondering, how much is a bar like this? It is only $1,249, and what I reckon is going to happen, we're going to get flooded with orders and we'll be producing these bars up until Christmas. So if you want to make sure you've got one of these bars for your 40 for Christmas, get in as soon as you can and get your order in the system. Now we all love our 40s, none more than me. And in my opinion, this original ARB bar is the thing that makes my car complete. Now to go with our limited original 40 Series bull bar, we've gone back in the vault and found an original ARB sticker. Now if you look carefully, you'll see that that ARB logo is formed up out of bent pipe, and we've added the words limited original to go with your bull bar. Features and benefits. We have 2 aerial tags on the top tube. Because the 40's got so much chassis hanging out the front, we've got room to fit these great big braces that go back onto the chassis rail. A pair of light mounts. For me, when you're driving a 40 Series in the bush, particularly when it's tight, these square corners on this bar are absolutely perfect because you know exactly where the corners of the car are. Now all these old original 40 Series bars have a shackle protector across the bottom. That stops your spring getting driven back and bending the main leaf. Now for my money, if the limited original ARB bull bar is the perfect accessory for 40 Series, the perfect accessory for the bar is a worn high mount winch. Now remember, if you even think that you want one of these limited original ARB 40 Series bars, you have to place your order. There's going to be no stock sitting on shelves. The only way for you to get one is actually get an order in the system with your name on it.